All right, cool. So let's say now you want to fix the balances on a specific wallet. The best way to do that is if you haven't started working on the wallets themselves, the best way to do it is to really just delete the actual entire wallet itself and then re-add it. Sometimes the API kind of skips a beat, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that here. Setting, delete the wallet. And then I'm going to re-add the ops wallet again. Blockchain, add the wallet in here, call it ops wallet. Go ahead and continue via network, and then just go ahead and hit it right there. And there it is, ops wallet's re-added, and then I can again verify these balances. But let's say there's a scenario where you already started working on the wallet itself, and you now basically just want to not delete the entire wallet because you've already started working on it, but you know you're missing some transactions, let's say. So let's say you're already labeling these transactions as the ones in the past down here, as other revenue or whatever it might be. And you know there's a specific time period that you lost some transactions in. And so what you do is you just delete that time period. So let's say May 29th and May 29th and Feb 18th and Feb 6th. Let's say I know everything from here. Let's say everything in 2024 I'm just going to delete because I know the balances up to 2023 were good, but 2024 I knew something was fishy going on there. So I would hit manage, I would delete them. So they're gone. I only have up to 2023 transactions. I would then go back up here. I would get latest transactions again, and I would see, okay, it's pulling 2023, 2025 again. Hit continue. So I'm letting it pull those extra 2024 transactions that I just deleted and anything kind of else that was missing during that period. So that's predominantly because I had worked on the transactions in prior periods, and I don't want to get rid of that. So there it is. It pulled me the additional transactions here. I can see 2024 is repulled, and I can then just check, okay, did it capture those transactions I had missed previously? Now, if there's a transaction that is not working even with this method, the other method is to just add these transactions in manually. So you can add them like this, throw the hash in, throw all the details in, and then add it manually. That also helps fill in the gaps on kind of figuring out, making sure the balances match. So that's the way you reconcile the wallets, making sure the balances match. Let me know if you have any questions.